Alright. Come over here to check out the Chevy. This motherfucker fucked up right now. Gauges. And they got my gauges in this bitch. I'm gonna mount them motherfuckers somewhere. Probably right here. Put all this shit on this side once. Some shit, you know, put the motherfuckers in the dashboard or some shit, you know, tell them. But yeah, it looking real fucked up right now. See shit here motherfucking well. And interior bright as a motherfucker though, ain't it? My door panel fucked up. As y'all see, the motherfucker shot my one out and shit, but got a new one in this bitch already. Power wonder. Backseat full of shit. It's all good though. My shit still fresh as a motherfucker though. You see them seats fresh as a motherfucker. Carpet fresh as a motherfucker. Spider web. Spray paint cans, all kind of shit. Sometimes they will be alright. Headliner's cool, but that shit coming down anyway. It's all good. It's all good. We're gonna get better. It's just a part of the process. Y'all gonna see. It's gonna be great. Telling you now. Telling you now. That shit, so I might go with some fiberglass on this shit. But I got that one end though. GT wood wheel.